This video will go over the product lookup and checkout process for Global O-Ring and Seal. Going to the online store, we will use an example of a size 220 nitrile 70 durometer O-ring and search. For N7220, this is the list price, and you will have your price and quantity price breaks. This is the stock that we currently have on hand. This is stock that is inbound to us, and the day we will be able to ship to you. Factory stock has yet to ship to us, but you'll notice that expedited shipping is sooner than the date of the inbound shipment. Say you wanted to order more than what was currently in stock. After you add it to your cart, it will get split up into 3 lines. The top is what we currently have in stock, followed by what is inbound, and finally what is at the factory. You will see the expected ship date for what's inbound, and if you need it sooner, change the drop-down to overseas, select the expedite option, and update the cart. You will see the new expected ship date and the expedite fee. If you would like to switch back to the inbound stock, change that drop-down back to inbound and update the cart. Beginning the checkout process, your billing details will auto-populate. If you need to ship to a different address, update those fields here. The same applies for blind drop shipments. Select your shipping method and carrier. Your purchase order number is from your own internal system. Check the boxes that you have read and agree to the terms and place your order. Thank you for shopping with Global O-Ring and Seal.